Hello cat. Write 1, 2, 3. अब देखेंगे 1, 2, 3 20 तक लिखेंगे. 1 butterfly. 1 2 butterflies. 2 butterflies. 3 butterflies. 3 butterflies. 3 4 pigeons. 4 pigeons. 5 cats. 5 cats. 6 dogs. 6 dogs. 7 fishes. 7 fishes. 7 8 ducks. 8 ducks. 8 9 elephants. 9 elephants. 9 10 1 0 10 rabbits. 10 rabbits. 10 11 1 11 balls. 11 balls. 12 1 2 12 aeroplanes. 12 13 1 3 13 cars. 13 cars. 13 14 1 4 14 jeeps. 14 jeeps. 14 15 1 5 15 bicycles. 15 bicycles. 16 1 6 16 dolls. 16 dolls. 16 17 1 7 17 flowers. 17 flowers. 18 1 8 18 orange. 18 orange. 18 19 1 9 19 ice cream cones. 19 20 2 0 20 burgers. 20 burgers. 20